Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be expert and skillful in Excel using ChatGPT. Here you just need to change your idea to text and input to ChatGPT. It directly convert to Excel formula. How we can create a rival list as here. Let's do it. Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. From ChatGPT say I have time in column D. Others. Just go. That is the formula. Just copy this formula. Come back to your Excel. From here, Control V. It says if B2 smaller than time, it become on time. Other than, it become late arrive. If I just drag it 9.05, it late arrive. If I want to highlight the late arrivals, come back to ChatGPT again. Highlight late arrive. Just go. Okay. First, that's the explanation. To highlight late arrive entries in column C, you can use conditional formatting. Here's how to do it. First, select the cells in column C. Just select its range. Then open conditional formatting. From home, conditional formatting. Then new rule, as explained here. Then use formula to determine which cells to format. This one. Copy this formula. Scroll down. Format button. From here, from fill, you see fill, select the color. Then OK. Again OK. Directly it highlight the late arrivals. In second application, I just want to separate text to name, Gmail, and ID. How we can do it? Just again come back to ChatGPT. Just search for extract text from cell A2 and split by commas B2, C2, and D2 in Excel sheet. Yes. For B2, we have to use this formula. Just copy and come back to Excel. Control V. Directly its name. You see? A2. If I just drag it, you see? Directly it separated name, Gmail, and ID. You see how fast we can do it. In third application, come back to your ChatGPT again. Just say between them in Excel sheet. Just run. Just copy this one. We have the formula. This one and this one. Which one you prefer? I selected this one. Just come back to your Excel sheet. Control V. Enter. You see? Rashad Mohammed. And we have a space. If you just drag this one, you can do it for all of them. In application 4, we just want to create a search bar. If we put ID directly found the name. Okay, how we can do it? I have and data in Excel sheet. It includes ID and name. I want to display name on cell IF1 based on cell, for example D, based on cell D1. Enter. Okay, that's the formula. Just copy, then come back here. Control V. Yes, this AB, it's what? It's a range. This AB, you see, it's too much range, so I change this range to here. Good. Enter. If I change this one to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, directly it found my name. That was the application 4. For mark sheet, come back to ChatGPT, find average in Excel sheet from, what is the range? From B to E, from B1 to E1. Enter. That is the formula. Just copy, come back to your Excel sheet. Sorry, not E1. Control Z, Control copy, find average from B2 to E2. Enter. I need this formula. Copy. Control V. Just drag. That is the formula. Now, if I want to highlight the marks below 50, how we can do it? Come back to your ChatGPT, then highlight marks below 50 in Excel. Create formula. Yes, that is the explanation. Okay. Select the range. That is the range. Okay. Open home. Conditional formatting. New rule. Use formula. It's explained all here. Insert your formula. That's the formula I have. Just copy. Insert it. It say set the formatting. Format button. from field. For example, select this color, for example, red color. Okay, okay. You see, directly it shows all the cells which include markers below 15. If you found this video helpful, as respect to our effort, like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice time.